Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 2 for CBSE Board, chapter number 10 Circles. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some terms related to circle. So, number of tangents from a point on a circle. Number, there is no tangent to a circle passing through a point lying inside the circle. If point is inside the circle, you cannot draw a tangent to the circle. There is one and only one tangent to a circle passing through a point lying on the circle. If point is on the circle, then you can draw only one tangent passing through that point. 3. There are exactly two tangents to a circle through a point lying outside the circle. That means if a point is on outside the circle, then you can draw two tangents to the circle from that point. Okay. Theorem number 2. The length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Okay, so this is a circle with center O. Suppose this is a point P which is in external point, and if you draw two tangents to the circle, you know you can draw two tangents. So this is a tangent to the circle at Q. This is a tangent to the circle at R. Then these two tangents are equal. So these two tangents are called, this part is called tangent segment. This is a tangent and this part is tangent segment. Okay. Given in a circle with center O, sec PQ and sec PR are tangents to a circle at point Q and R respectively. To prove PQ is equal to PR. So this theorem is important, and this theorem also gives you some properties that are also very important. So therefore you try to concentrate. To prove PQ is equal to PR, construction, draw sec OQ, OR and OP. Prove in triangle PQ O and triangle PRO, angle Q is equal to angle R. Angle Q and angle R are equal 90 degree because tangent is perpendicular to radius, so that is called tangent theorem. Then hypo, so this is right angle triangle, therefore this is hypotenuse. So hypo OP congruent hypo OP common sides. Side OQ congruent side OR, radii of same circle. So these are what radius of same circle, and therefore triangle PQO congruent triangle PRO hyposide test, and therefore side PQ congruent side PR corresponding side of congruent triangle, and hence PQ is equal to PR. So therefore this theorem is very important to remember. These two tangent segments are equal if this point P is what external point and if these are two tangents. Okay. Then exercise 10.2. Now in this case remember two more points. So these two triangles are about congruent, therefore this angle and this angle is equal, and therefore OP is bisector of this angle. Similarly, these two triangles are congruent triangles and therefore this angle and this angle is equal. So this OP is bisector of this angle also. So these two properties are very important. Then, exercise 10.2. Question number 1. Choose the correct option and give justification. From a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter and distance of Q from the center is 25 centimeter, the radius of the circle is. Okay, now we'll calculate this. So this is a circle with center O. This PQ is tangent to the circle at P. OP is radius. So this is given 25 and this is 24. So by Pythagoras theorem you can find this. So by Pythagoras theorem, in a circle with center O, say PQ is tangent at P, angle OPQ is equal to 90. In triangle OPQ, OP square is equal to OQ square minus PQ square, Pythagoras theorem, and therefore OP square is equal to 625 minus 576 is equal to 49, and hence OP is equal to 7 centimeter, and therefore radius of circle is equal to 7 centimeter. So correct answer is what? Option A. Question number 2. If TP and TQ are the two tangents to a circle with center O, so that angle POQ is equal to 110, then angle PTQ is equal to. Okay, now this is circle with center O. This is radius. T is an external point. From this point, TP and TQ are two tangents. So now you know this angle is equal to 90 and this angle is equal to 90 because this is tangent and this is radius. Tangent is perpendicular to radius. Okay, so this is 90, this is 110 and this is 90. So you can find remaining angle because sum of the angles of a quadrilateral, this is quadrilateral, is 360. Okay, since TP and TQ are tangent to a circle with center O, angle P is equal to angle Q is equal to 90 degree. In quadrilateral POQT, angle P plus angle O plus angle Q plus angle T is equal to 360, and therefore 90 plus 110 plus 90 plus angle T is equal to 360, and therefore angle T is equal to 360 minus 290 gives you 70, and therefore this angle PTQ is equal to 70 degree. So correct answer is what? Option B. Question number 3. If tangents PA and PB from point P to a circle with center O are included to each other at an angle of 80 degree, then angle POA is equal to. Okay, angle AOB is equal to 180 minus 80 is equal to 100. So you know this angle and this angle is equal to 90. Therefore this plus this is equal to 80, and therefore sum of these two angles, remaining angle is equal to 180. And now this is 80 given, and therefore this angle is 50. Then therefore angle POA means this angle only. So you know this is a bisector of this angle, and this angle is 100. So this angle is equal to 50. So correct option is A. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.